Today is a bit of an exciting day. Flory, the Tacoma, she's getting a facelift. Stay tuned. So the Tacoma is getting some modifications. So yeah, Pat here is gonna help me with it. I appreciate it, dude. I really do. Just figuring out the pieces now and kind of go from there. So while Pat's doing the pieces there, sorting it out, I'm gonna take this grill off, and after that, I'm gonna take off the skid plates, the factory ones. So that's what we're gonna do. So you got these tabs here. They are just a 10 millimeter, so just take that apart. And you got these little retainers here, pop it up, and then you just use a flathead. There we go. I'll do the other side. It might be a little bit hard to see, but there's usually two inside ones at about there. Hard to see my finger, but might be easier to see. But see that yellow zip tie? That's where it is. So what are you doing here, Pat?
I'll just start to put everything together.
See, there's a lot of instructions. They're very thorough, at least I think.
Oh yes, they're pretty good instructions actually for what it is. Shows a lot of what we got to do. This here's the piece here we're working on now.
Yep.
That'll bolt right to your frame. And then we're actually start getting into putting the outside of the bumper together, the looks.
The looks.
Not just the business end, the look end. So, yeah.
Yep. Well, while he's doing that, I'm gonna take the bumper off, so we can actually do it. So you may have a hard time hearing me. But you gotta use these here. They are 10 millimeter bolts. It might be hard to hear, but basically your wheel liner here, and underneath it's attached to the bumper right here and there. That's a 10 millimeter. And then in here, it's hard to see, but generally you have like a retainer bolt here. You just pull it out, and once we move out the wheel liner, so that spot right there is where the wheel well retainer bolt goes. It might be hard to see, but right there, that's where the bolt is. It's 10 millimeter, you gotta take it out. Time to do the other side.
That's kind of cute. There's some kind of corrosion. Yeah, thread locker.
Oh, I see what you mean. So it's this then?
Yeah. So that's gonna look pretty good.
Oh yeah. A lot more approach angle for sure. So this little bugger is in the way. So we're gonna have to cut about about that much, roughly.
Yeah. Take that out. That's probably more than enough. But
Yeah, I mean, it's still structurally integral.
Oh,
Yeah.
that
Yep. There you go. I'll hold it there if you want.
Right there should be good.
Well, we got the one side done. We're gonna go do the other side and kind of go from there. Enjoy. So what Pat's doing is he's cutting out the tubing. It wasn't cut, apparently. You gotta do what you gotta do.
That's right.
Yep. It is really close though, eh? Yeah. We got the one side. A little bit of cutting, that's okay though.
Didn't take long.
Looks good.
He's doing a good job.
Yep, no, looks good, man. Well, time for the other side. Let's do it. Well, bumper's off now. Onto the skid plate. Yep. So we came to conclusion for the skid plate. This guy has to come out. Both of them, both sides. And you get to use the factory bolts underneath there too, so you're pretty good. But keep that in mind. And they are 17 millimeters, so I'm gonna help them. Not be useless.
We're gonna put it together basically as if it's going on. Actually, we probably will bolt it on.
Now that we figured out some of the spacing underneath the truck, time to put these big spacers on and figure out angle piece to put all the pieces together. It's heavy, guys, and that's just the front skid plate. The price you pay for doing this stuff.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Both your wallet and your wallet. It's all your wallet.
Stay with the wallet.
It's all the wallet. Now what Pat's doing is he's putting these center pieces in. It says to be 4 inches from the back piece there, so that's what he's doing. Well, we got the biggest part out of the way. So
Yeah, it's all packed together.
So I'm gonna leave it to Pat. And these guys will be finished hopefully sometime soon, I think. So
Yeah.
okay, cool. Well, I appreciate it, dude.
No problem.
Thanks for the help. Hey guys, so yeah, that's day one of the Coastal Off-Road bumper and skids. We tacked everything. We were able to line up all the bolts to make sure it fit. All that needs to be done is for Pat to basically weld the pieces together. That way we can, you know, scuff it, paint it with some bed liner, and install it back onto the truck. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, so guys, honestly, if you enjoy these builds, you know, the DIY projects, any off-roading and overlanding rigs, also if you enjoy adventures, like and subscribe. Honestly, it just motivates for more videos to come out. So I hope you really guys enjoyed it. Until next time, take care.